Okay, so let's start today's workshop. And today we are going to talk about OpenStreetMap. So have everyone already registered for OpenStreetMap? It's actually is quite easy, just few steps. Yeah, but first I'll still start from the beginning. And before we go into the OpenStreetMap, I'll share some using case with maps, with online maps first. And the first one we already seen it last time. It's the Strange Pinglin. It's Sherry's project in Pinglin, and he used the map to ping a lot of image and also videos of the creation about some monsters made by students in Pinglin. Yeah. And the next one is Radio Garden. I think this one is really it's very famous. It's actually it's a online online platform that collect a lot of the radio I'll say that radio stations worldwide that everyone can subscribe. Everyone can subscribe a radio station, not station, radio what radio？ 哎，小林是什么？电台是什么？
Radio station， 对啊，
哎，是 radio station 没错。哎，哦 yeah radio station yeah. So it's a platform that collect all the radio stations worldwide. As you can see in Europe, it's quite a lot, and also in Asia, everywhere. Yeah. So if you know some local radio station, you can also subscribe to submit to onto this website. Its name is Radio Garden. And another one is Wheelmap. Wheelmap is the this website is more close to the topic today we are going to mention, is the OpenStreetMap and also the online collaborative mapping. Wheelmap.org it uses OpenStreetMap as the base of the website, and it is a website that let people to edit the point that you like a shop or I don't know, a building that you know if it's friendly to wheelchairs. So like this is Taipei, and you can see there's a lot of pings that is ping. The data is from OpenStreetMap, and you can edit it and talk to others that if this place is friendly to wheelchairs. Yeah. And the data you edit on this map will automatically upload to the OpenStreetMap. So the data here is synchronized with OpenStreetMap. Yeah, it's really nice to it's a really nice use case with OpenStreetMap. Yeah, it's named Wheelmap. Okay, so what is OpenStreetMap? This name already appeared so many times. And what is OpenStreetMap? The official description is here. It's a okay. I don't want to reply it. Well, the OpenStreetMap it's a community co-edit geographic database. Although the name is OpenStreetMap, but actually the core of the OpenStreetMap is a database. It's a it's a database that is contributed by all the community of by a community of mappers. Like everyone can be the contributors to upgrade, to update the data in OpenStreetMap's database. So it's actually a database, not just a map. This point is very important because if it's just a map, then you can only map is usually means that you can view it and you can find something on it. But the database, it's more like that you can link it and you can do some query to it. And this is the I will demo. I will do some simple I'll have some simple example to show you how it works. Yeah. And the OpenStreetMap is actually this platform is created at 2004, and a few years later it's organized, but it founded an organization named OpenStreetMap Foundation. I remember it's in British. Yeah. So now the OpenStreetMap it's managed by the OpenStreetMap Foundation, but all the database is maintained by all the community. Yeah, and it's cross language. This point is really it's really important. What does it mean? It means that all the points you see on OpenStreetMap, if you can find a translation of the point or of the building or of the road, you can add by yourself. And so this means that everyone that add all the objects, all the features in the OpenStreetMap's database is cross language. Yeah, it's because if you have different language of the map, they cannot link together. But in OpenStreetMap, because it's a database, so all the features is linked together with multiple language. And all the features on OpenStreetMap can link to other database because it's already a database itself. So of course it can link to other database, like for example, like Wikipedia. Everyone already know Wikipedia. Yeah, so you can add Wikipedia's link into the OpenStreetMap's feature, like a point. If the point is really well known and it has a Wikipedia page, then you can link the page into OpenStreetMap's feature. And all the data on OpenStreetMap it's open source. It's open source under the Open Database License. What is Open Database License? Well, it has a lot of things inside the license, but it's already a very open. You can say it's a copyleft license, which means that you can almost use the data in everywhere. Yeah. And maybe till now, maybe a lot of people will ask, and how about Google Map? What is different from OpenStreetMap and Google Map? And why don't we just use Google Map? Well, I will say Google Maps is really good, and it's really easy to use. Like I still use Google Map every day because it has too many services on there. It has navigation, it has ranking, comments. Like if I want to find a place to having a meal, I just open Google Map and search the thing that I want to eat and find a top rated one. So Google Map is too easy for everyone to use, but and it's combines a lot of all the service provided by Google. So it's like the core is Google. It's not Google Map. The core is Google, and Google provide the service. So this part is different. Like OpenStreetMap. Actually, OpenStreetMap also you can say OpenStreetMap has navigation service, but the navigation service is provided by other contributors, or I mean other companies. There's a lot of companies that create navigation apps or navigation navigation applications based on OpenStreetMap's data. Yeah, so this is the difference. And and another one is that everything you report to Google, like I ask Google to add a point of a shop or something, like this, everything that you report to Google, if Google accept it, actually the data, this contents that you report to Google will become Google's assets, and it will owned by Google. It's not owned by you. Although it's the data is provided by you, but like the image you upload to Google Map, actually Google will has the permission to use these photos, although it's the image is provided by you. Yeah. So also another thing is, like just like I mentioned, that a lot of companies use OpenStreetMap's database to create applications or create a lot of different service. And if you want to use Google Maps data to do the same thing, you have to spend a lot of money. It's really a lot. It's really expensive. Yeah, because before I also want to do the same thing, and I want to use Google Maps data, and I just shocked. The price is too high. It's for the enterprise. The price is not for customers. But the OpenStreetMap data, usually you can directly use it for free. Yeah, just you have to under their license. Yeah. So how to use OpenStreetMap? The first, of course, is directly use their official link is the short link is osm.org, and the full link you click it, it will redirect to openstreetmap.org. So this is the basic usage of the OpenStreetMap. Is just go into their website, the the website that is organized by the OpenStreetMap Foundation, and it doesn't have too many features. It doesn't have too many functions on this website. You can, of course, you can search a place. Search a place like if I want to search Taipei Artist Village. Yeah, you can find it. Oh, you find Treasure Hill. All right, it's fine. Yeah, you can search it, and you can use the here's a tool named Query Features. You can click it and click the place that you want to know more. Like here, if I want to know this place more, I can use the tool, and you can click the one that you want to see more, and it will show all the data that is is pinned to this place, like the address, or and the enmity. The enmity of this place is place of worship, and the building type is temple, the name, and the religion of this temple is Buddhist. And here you can see here's also a link is linked to Wikipedia. Here's a link is linked to Wikipedia, like this. So it's the basic usage of OpenStreetMap, and the whole OpenStreetMap, the OpenStreetMap's database it's all built by this kind of features, and also with, of course, with some geometry data, like the size. You can see this outline is also drawn by someone, and the latitudes or something. Yeah. So this is the OpenStreetMap's website, and yeah, that's it. Well, we'll use it later, because you can also see the edit history, or you can direct edit the OpenStreetMap here on this website. And another way to use OpenStreetMap is there's two apps. One is Maps.me, and another is OSMN. And for me, I use the second one, is OSMN. And both these two is the is app on Android and also on iOS. And I don't know if Dara know these apps, because I know a lot of mountain lovers, a lot of people when they go hiking, they will use these two apps to record their path, and it will have a lot of very nice function that it can help you to calculate the speed or the height of the height of your path or something. Like that time, me and Sherry went to climb the mountain, mountain sheer. I also opened the application, but I to record the path, but I forgot to stop it. So the data is a little bit weird. Like it start from a very weird point. Yeah, but it's really nice to use. And these two apps let you to use the OpenStreetMap's data offline, which means if you don't like Google Map, you can also set up the offline map of Google Map, but it's not as good as what OpenStreetMap can do. Like with these two apps, you can just easily download. Like me, I already download the whole Taiwan's map data, and it's only 200 megabytes or something. And so if I went to a place that doesn't have the internet connection, I can still use the GPS on the map. And those, yeah, of course, with the service like path recording or something, or also navigation is also work with the offline map. And the next one is it's a little bit different from the these three I mentioned. The overpass turbo. Actually, I think I should put this one in advance, because this one is the easiest way to query data on OpenStreetMap. Like, what does it mean? Like if now you want to find like I'll just do a quick demo. Like now, if I want to find all the art center in Taiwan, how can I do it? In this in overpass? It makes it really simple, because in the OpenStreetMap's database, it already it already helped us to let me see the it already helped us to add the content of the of all the art centers, like sorry, I can find it. Oh, here, like this one is Taipei Art Village, and the Amity is Arts Center, and it's a building, that with 3 levels. 3 levels? I think it should be 4 levels. This is the data that like now if I think this should be 4, then I can edit it later. Yeah. Yeah. So how do I do it? What I have to do is just in the overpass, and I'll turn the language to English. And here's you cannot read it, it's fine. It's codes here. It has a wizard. Here, and you can just easily type Art Center, and it will help you to query all the data in the OpenStreetMaps database. Like now, it already query out all the art centers in Taiwan. It's the easiest, and it's a very, very fast way if you want to use the data in the OpenStreetMap. But you can see if I zoom to the whole world, and run the query again, I believe it will crash because the data is too much. So it'll tell me that time out later. So I'll just abort it because the data is too big to query the worldwide arts center. But you can use the bounding box here in the tool here. Here's a tool named manually select B box. B box means bounding box, and I can resize it to Taiwan, and then do the query again. Then it will help me query out all the arts all the feature that the Amity is Arts Center in this bounding box. And the data is here. The type of the data is its a format is called JSON format, and it's a format that for coding it's more easy for coders to use. So if you want to use this kind of format, it will be a little bit difficult, but there will be some tools that can help you transform the data into sheets or something. Yeah, but you can see it's it's a very fast way to query out the data in the OpenStreetMaps database with this website, Overpass Turbo. Yeah, and the other 3, the Map Tiler and Mapbox and Leaflet, these 3 is totally for coders. That if you don't know how to use how to do a coding, and it will be a little bit difficult for you to use these 3 tools. But I will still demo the Mapbox to you because it's a very quick way that you can use the data in OpenStreetMap, but make the data into your customized map. like the one that the Strange Penguin this project use. The map color, you can see the map, the color and the design of the map is totally different from the official map. The official map is usually looks like this. the OpenStreetMap's official map. It usually looks like this. And if you want to customize it, the map box is the fast way that you can. I will just. Okay, I'll open this one. Let me find Taiwan. And you can just change the color where you like the mountain now is green. If I want to change the mountain, it's the national park. All right, if I want to change this this kind of data, I want to change the color, you can just easily modify it on the Mapbox Studio, and then you can create a total fully customized, fully designed by you, with the data in OpenStreetMap. And it have the Mapbox have a lot of template. So if you don't know how to set it, you can just use their template and then edit the color. It's very easy to use actually. Yeah, and then you can publish it, or you can print it also. Like if you want to use a customized map, and you don't have to worry about that Google will come to you and charge you charge you, because the data is from OpenStreetMap. Yeah. Okay. So so this is the basic, the simple way to use OpenStreetMap. And next part is the most important part today. It's let's become mappers. Yay. So I think you already registered the OpenStreetMap. So just log in, and then log into this site, and then on the left side you will see a button name is edit. And now it's great, and you can see it asks me to zoom in to edit the map. Why it asks me to do it? After you click it, you will know why. Okay, so I'll find a place. Okay, I'll find the Taipei Artist Village, and I'll edit the level, the building level to 4. Am I right, Jialan? The Taipei Artist Village, they have 4 floors, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the correct data is very important. So now I'll find the place that you want to edit first. Where's, oh, here. Okay, so zoom to the place you want to edit, then press edit. Then it'll turn into the it'll turn into the edit mode. Like now you can see a lot of data in the OpenStreetMaps database. All the squares, you see all the squares, all the polygon here, and also the road path here, and the points here are all contributed by the community. So it's already a very super big database, and you cannot imagine how people contributes everything together, but they did it and become a very big map. So now if I want to, like, if I think this road should not looks like this, I can also edit it, but I should not, but I will demo it to you. Like I can add a point here, and I can move it here. Like if I believe the road looks like this, and then after I edit it, I can press the save and then commit it, and I believe that within an hour, the update, the commit I did will be discarded because the rows should not look like this. So I undo it. Okay, so find a place you want to add or you want to edit, and then press it. Like here, the Taipei Artist Village, and the tags, the building levels here, it should be I believe it's 4. So I'll edit it first. Source is being, well, okay, it's fine. Okay, so so it's very easy to edit. You just need to find the point that you want to edit and click it, and all the data on the left side is here. You will already see a lot of fields here, and also of course you can, if you know some fields that you want to add, you can also type here. But the field name, it's a it's a super long list that there's too many types of data that can be placed in the OpenStreetMaps database. So if you don't know, like here you can see here's an elevation fields that I believe it's you can what is it? No. Points above sea level. The elevation is that elevation. It's the elevation of a point above the sea level. Okay, it's fine. I'll remove it. And also you can see you can add the image field that you have some image. You can upload it to some online platform like Wikimedia. Wikimedia, it also has place to upload open source images. And you can link the image here into this data. Yeah, so it's really easy for you to just edit the the data here. And of course, if you want to draw by yourself, if you want to draw a point by yourself, of course it's fine. On the top, there's add features 3 button here, and you can add a line. Line is usually used for drawing the road, some path, or yeah, usually it's that. And area is usually is used for drawing the most. I believe the most of area is buildings, like you can see all the red one here, and also of course the green one here are all areas. And the areas, these areas feature type, no, these areas, the geometry type is area. And after, like if I add a point here, the first step is the most important part, is you have to give the feature type. This feature type will directly it's very important that will decide that what the data should looks like in this point. So here you can see it's not much here, but actually there's a lot of feature types. So if you cannot find it here, you can search here, like arts center. Arts center is a feature type that we use a lot. Or of course you can add an ATM here, and anything else. You can add a garden here. A lot. It's too much. It's too much. I cannot describe it. What you want to do is just search it, and if you cannot find the right feature type for yourself, you can also submit the feature type that you want to add to the community, and all other contributors will help you to design that if this feature type should be placed on the OpenStreetMap. So here I will let me find a place that to demo. Does anyone have any questions? Like if you have a point that you can find on the OpenStreetMap and you want to point it.
I have a question. So even the photo, the like a satellite photo is also contributed by someone.
You mean the base
the background layer? Yeah, the base layer.
The background is you can see it here actually. I mean somewhere not on the edit. Well, this background I believe is from the I can't remember the name, but it's you can say it's contributed by contributors, but it's actually contributed by some companies that provides open source satellites image for community to use. So the community use these open source satellites image in the OpenStreetMap. Like in the I think in the map tiler they have more. Okay, let's go to the studio box. The satellites. Oh yeah, I can't find the name of the satellites data, but yes, it's also an open source data. Yeah.
I see.
Okay, it's fine that we will have some times that let everyone that you want to add an area or add a point. Now I just want to show you the steps. So I just added the building level of the Taipei Artist Village. So after the edit, on the right side there will be a save button, and then when you press the save button, here will let you to leave some comments of what you added about your contributions. And this comments is also important because more precise you describe other contributors in the community will know more about that what you did, and and it will help the whole community that can work better with more precise description. So here I will say that I modify the file building level. And here you can add some fields that to help you to talk to other contributors that why you do this modify. But here I have nothing to add because I just edit this. It's actually a little bit bad, but I just edit this data with my own memory. Like I remember the building has 4 levels, so I edit it. Yeah. So here and below you can see here's a checkbox. Is I would like someone to review my edits. What does this mean? If you didn't check this checkbox after you press the upload button, it will be as soon as possible that within a minute that your edit will be updated to the whole database, and all others can see your change. But if you are not really sure about your edit is correct, like if you do a really a complex edit, like you draw a road or something, then you can check this one, and then after you press the upload, that it will require someone in the community to do a review, and then after the review, the commit that you did will then be uploaded to the database. But here I think it's totally fine because I just edit a number and it's a very small part, so I will just upload it. Just uploading the change, and very soon you can find you will see the data is being changed. It should be really fast. So so here in the Taipei Artist Village here, not this one. Where is it? Here. Let me see. The Taipei Artist Village. Yeah, you can see the building levels already been modified to 4, and it's the modify that I just did. And on the top side, on the toolbar, you can here's a button named History. You can click it, and you will see all the edit in this area is edit recently, like yeah, here you can see the wheel map visitors. It means this edit is modified by the wheelmap.org, the website that I just mentioned, the wheel map. This data is modified by that website, and the edit 1 minute ago by Sean, this one, and a lot, yeah. And if you zoom to the worldwide, you will see that it's almost every minute that someone is editing the map. Yeah. So that's it. That is the usage of OpenStreetMap and the way to edit it. So and also the OpenStreetMap has the function to like with the OSM end or Maps.me with the apps, it also support like I mentioned that with this app you can record the path, and then after you record the path, you can upload the path to OpenStreetMap. like here you can see a button named GPS trace. It's that someone uploaded, and most of the path is like this one is 草林古道. This one is a it's a path on a mountain that someone record, and some high Hyundai, and I have no idea what's this. Well, you can upload your GPS or GPX data onto OpenStreetMap, and these data will also help the OpenStreetMap the community to modify the roads. So all the roads, I believe that a lot of roads is not drawn by hands. It's that someone used the GPS data and change the GPS data into the road's path directly. Yeah. So anyone already tried to add or edit a point? Can share with us.
Dara say he can change the language to English.
Oh, if you want to change the language, and if you are stuck with this step, on the right side, on the here, and then press the preference, and press edit preference. Here will be here is the language setting. So I change it to EN, US, and EN, which means English. That this will make the whole language into English. And if you want to add other language, you just need to type it here. And if you can find, if you don't know what is the short term of the language, you can I think it's usually same as the country domain of the website. Like Cambodia should be, what's Cambodia? The short term of Cambodia is Dara, what is the short term of Cambodia?
I think KA.
Okay, KA. Oh yeah, you can try to type KA, or if you want English, you can just press EN here, and then update preference. Then
I
it
mean
will
that
help you to change.
when I look at the map, everything is in Khmer. So it's when I go to the language, it's already English. So I don't know. And then I put the destination, it's all become Vietnam.
Because the default, the display English, the display language on the OpenStreetMap is displayed in the local language. And if you want to change it, if you want to change the display language, I know how to change in Mapbox, but in OpenStreetMap,
because I'm quite poor to read Khmer, that's why.
Yeah,
English is better for me. So yeah, I'm gonna check it out later on. It's fine.
Oh wow, give me a second. I don't know how to change
your
the
time, no
display
worry.
language. Mhm.
Is that freeze?
No.
No, okay, it's
I
loading.
just trying to figure out that how to change the
Okay.
the data's display
I
language.
just feeling suddenly everyone is silent. the screen is dark. I just think, am I freeze? Okay.
No. Hey, it's weird because I remember it should be. Because you can see the data, like I just randomly click a road, and you can see this road already being translated into English. It's Chinese. The original language is Chinese, and it already been changed into translated into English. Yeah. I don't know what does this mean, but yeah, it's already been translated. So it should be able to display the data in other language, like in in Mapbox. Map Tyler. Like Map Tyler is another platform that I just mentioned, and like here you can easily change the data's display language, like to English, and it will use English to display all the data. But if you still see the Chinese, sometimes it is because that the data doesn't have the translation of that data. Sometimes, yeah. But in OpenStreetMap, oh. Sorry, it's my bad. I didn't
No,
realize.
it's okay, John.
That
No worry. No worry.
I didn't realize
No worries.
it has this kinds of.
Maybe it is in international map. That's why you cannot change the language to be your own.
But like I mentioned, that it's a database. So all the data here, if it has the translation, it should be able to change to the translation very really fast. But maybe the official map doesn't support this function. Any other questions, or someone want to add a point or something?
I think my internet is very slow. I cannot to edit and put the point. It's
Yeah,
when it's become a 3D.
become 3D.
No, it's like when editing point, so
Oh.
it's very slow.
Oh yeah, but you just mentioned a very interesting part that yes, OpenStreetMap can become 3D because it has the 3D layers data in the OpenStreetMap, so that you can query the data from the OpenStreetMap's database and then translate into a 3D map. Like I can find the demo. OSM buildings. Yeah, like this one. Ta-da. It uses the OpenStreetMap's data and with the 3D heights data and then combine together, then create a 3D map. Yeah. So where am I now? I have no idea where is it. Let's search.
Is that auto-generated?
Yeah.
I mean, okay. So
you use the data and then generate
okay.
the map. Yeah, and this this one is named OSM buildings. It's and it's open source. You can find it on GitHub.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So here, this is Taipei, and where is Taipei 1? This is Taipei 101. Is it?
Wow.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe.
Like a stick.
Yeah, I think. Is it Taipei 1? Yeah, I think it's Taipei 101. Yeah. So all the you can see all the buildings data is drawn by the contributors, and then it just append the height value into it. So I believe I can also find my home somewhere here. Because my home is also being drawn into a building. So yeah, this is my home. This one. I live in this building. Yeah. Yeah. So okay. So any other questions?
I have a question. How to like who can be the reviewer?
Everyone.
But
Of
how?
course, there's a core members that has some advanced permission, and why are they? Because they are very professional mappers, and they are being permitted by the OpenStreetMaps Foundation. So in Taiwan, there's also a community of mappers that actually we know someone, yeah, from 1G0V government 0, yeah, and I believe in all the countries will have their own, in all countries you will have your own communities founded by the contributors of OpenStreetMap, because it's a super big community, and but the people that works much in OpenStreetMap in different countries is a little bit different. Like in Taiwan, most of the contributors is the one that loves to climbing mountain, loves outside, so they draw a lot of paths that is secret paths that on the mountain, that only the mountain lovers know these paths, and this path is not on Google. But of course, some of the path is also, you can also see the climbing path on Google Map, and someone will say that Google stolen the data from OpenStreetMap. but well, no one knows. But yeah, in Taiwan it's like this. Like a lot of data is contributed by the mountain lovers. And but in Europe, as I know, that a lot of contributors is from the what's it called? The Red Cross? Yeah. The Red Cross Society. In Europe, it's a very big不对，红十字会是台湾的，是不是啊？Red Cross Society. Yeah, Red Cross. Yes, Red Cross. it's a humanity group. Yeah. In Europe, most of the contributors is from Red Cross, because they use the data for like I don't know, for well, yeah, yes. Sorry. Yeah.
Sorry everyone, because I have an urgent meeting later, so today I have to leave earlier. And I think later, before you finish, Jialan can confirm with everyone, because we sent out an email about our the final result of this residency, through the email. So if you have any questions, please let Jialan know, and she will explain. Okay. So yeah, actually I have other question about OpenStreetMap, but I think I will ask you later, Sean.
It's fine.
Yeah, thank you. So I'm sorry, but I have to leave now.
Bye.
Yeah, it's good to see you. Bye bye.
I think it's also the end of the workshop already.
No, but you have anyone have add anything on the map already?
I think it's like I could not add any point to the map, so I maybe do it by tomorrow when I find a good internet or something.
Okay.
So you cannot
Oh.
go into edit mode.
I can't. If I go to edit, it will become very slow, and the
Ah.
internet become a loading like circle. And then when I zoom in, it's like it's take like 2 minutes to be like clear, not blur.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna try to do it, explore at home, or tomorrow as I start with it. That is much internet is easy ways.
If you have any question, just let me know.
We do.
And tomorrow also have workshop at 8 p.m. and it will be about the open broadcast software. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
Guohan, you want to ask
I
something?
want to ask about the data because I try to expose the data and I'm not sure the data formats because you mentioned that is JSON or something.
Yeah, JSON format.
Okay. So that means actually I can like download all the data on the OpenStreetMap and maybe use the API to connect to another platform.
Usually we will not download the data directly because the data,
Too
as
big?
you know, the data is being it's super big. And
Yeah.
also it's being modified every second. So usually we will use the API directly to
Okay.
to link
Yeah,
the
because
data.
I'm thinking to only like tag small areas data. I don't want to like a whole area is too huge. And yeah, okay.
So yeah, so you just try to press the export button. I mean in OpenStreetMap.
Just like a try some.
The data database the data type is the format is JSON, but the correct name is GeoJSON. It's like GeoJSON. It's a JSON format, but with the geographic data inside. So it's called GeoJSON, and it's a very common format that can use in any mapping software like QGIS or something. Yeah. Okay. So I think it's all for tomorrow. It's all for today. And if you have any more questions, just let me know. And of course, if you want to add some point, it will be really, really, really nice to become a contributor. Yeah.